be amidst you. And this is a great day. Actually, it is a celebration of a new year, 2021, which is better than 2020 because of Corona. So I welcome you. I really thank you, each one of you. And I have got few thoughts on different topics. One of the topics that I have been given is to talk on U3A. So U3A is one of the organizations for senior citizens. It was born in France, traveled to UK, and ended in a very graceful way in China. And to me, my calibration or gradation is that China is the best because it's a communist country and it has organized so well that it has got about 3 crores of people more than 65 years old, and they are covered, every one of them. So China is a great country. It was born in France, so there is some organization I think our people have already visited. Now I'll come back to, because I heard when I came that here are the people. One is Shankarji, he has taken a lot of pain for this, and he is to be very frank, his blood has got U3A very deeply enriched. So he talks U3A, eats U3A, and sleeps with it. I mean, coming back to China, let us come back to people in the world. They're normally born and they are young people. They travel to the second age of 50 years and third age of more than 50 years. Now, U3A is open for all senior citizens, and the central idea that came into practice is really it was born in France. So it came to mind, what are the difficulties of senior citizen? Once people cross 65 or 60 years, they become citizens, they have their own problems. Now, if you take their youth into consideration, youth is so terrible, so painful, so you have to work very hard. In the process of working hard, you do not learn a lot of things which you should have learned, and your heart says, I learn, but you don't learn. And this is an opportunity. In the third age, which is called U3A age. So in third age, we try to learn what we are not learned. For example, girls dancing, they are missed. Some people acting in a drama, they are mixed. Some people painting, they are missed. Fourth people, they can't talk properly, they want to learn English. They want to learn French. They want to mix with Mexican girls. So they need to learn Mexican and Spanish language. Mexican people talk Spanish language. So if you really globally, there is a need for learning for people after 60 years. That is the third age of the life. And this they do wonderfully well through coming together through U3. No, really, if I'm enrolled for U3A, I should be extremely clear what is U3A. Now, the first question that might strike your mind is that you are in Lions Club, or some of them are senior executives of senior citizens club. What is the difference between Lions Club, senior citizen, and U3A? One should be clear, and once you are clear, your goal is clear, and once your goal is clear, your journey is fast and fantastic, beautiful and musical and dancing, with dancing. So you must know U3A, if you really see now, U3A is not Lions. Lions is a bigger issue, it's a highly organized. Its number is very large, whereas the number of U3A is always small. These people come together to learn something which they could not learn. They learn either themselves or they in a group. Once it is a group, you have to come together, keep loving each other. And that's the way you form a group. You may set up a small goal or a small project, and for that you do. How the projects come? Because of the society. Society has got these people from different classes. Now, for example, look to the farmer. There are so many farmers more than 65 years, and they are still working hard. If you really travel to Japan, there are so many people who are more than 100 years, and they are really enjoying, because directly or indirectly they are doing U3 activities. So any activity that keeps you happy, that keeps you moving, that keeps you well grown and well-being, that's called U3 activity. I think with these few words, and coming back to U3A is something is very good. Lions, I told you what is Lions. Lions is an organization which is the Rotary is another organization. Next is Lions. And senior citizen organization, we have plenty. So the really question comes, what is the difference between senior citizen organization and U3A? One has to be clear. It is only that you learn more in a way that you enrich yourself, and when you enrich yourself, you become strong, you become loving, you become great people, part of the society, so that you keep contributing to yourself first. If you can't contribute to yourself, you cannot contribute to others, and contribute to others in a way the well-being is maximum. With these few words, I thank you everyone. Thank you.
Okay. Super.